Jeg hedder Sara, og jeg er 15 år gammel.
Let's take a trip to Sunset Boulevard in the city of stars. The city of blinding lights and starry eyes. I said now welcome to the city of angels. Whoa, city of angels. Whoa. I said I love my women like I love my juice. Naked, all natural, no preservatives or fakeness. I like my ladies like I like my Brady's in bunches. Got the six pack, I ain't talking about the crunches. Hit it till I quit it like Tyson's punches. That's how you gotta rock if you wanna run shit. A sweat make it less fizzy. Buzzkill, Betty got me Donnie dizzy. Lost in her eyes, like oh my god, where is she? Down here in SoCal, boy, we get it busy in the city. We get it busy in the city. Let's take a trip to